What's up everybody? So for today's episode we are going to look at how to change the region on Samsung Galaxy apps. A lot of people use Galaxy apps for downloading watch faces, applications and much more. But sadly not all the content is available for each and every country. If you try to download anything which is not available in your country, it will show this type of error. So in order to change the region we need to eject our SIM using a SIM ejection tool. After ejecting the SIM card, go to the Galaxy app settings. Here click storage and clear data. It will also clear the cache of the application. Now you need a VPN app. I'm using Surfshark, but you can use any VPN application. Here if I connect with a country, let's say Germany. Now if I once again open up the Galaxy store, you can see already the language has been changed to German. And in the apps, the currency has been changed to Euro. You can even add your credit card and it will work as well. But the problem with this method is that if you insert your SIM card again and close the application, the country will revert back to the original one. In order to avoid this problem, you need to make sure the Galaxy apps is constantly open up in the background. Just hold the Galaxy apps and select keep open. Now the Galaxy apps will not close in the background. And the country will now only change if you unlock this app or if you restart your phone. You can now also disconnect with the VPN and store will still continue to work with the changed country. With this method you can keep Galaxy apps open up in the background and you can use your SIM card as well. Furthermore, you can download apps via the mobile data, but once again make sure you have turned on this lock. So guys, this was the video on how to change region on Samsung Galaxy apps. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to drop a thumbs up, and if you like Samsung and Android content, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.